Good morning, students. Hope you all are enjoying at home and following all the guidelines given by the government to keep yourself safe and sound. And my dear, obey your parents so that they should not be annoyed, because many parents are complaining us. So be safe. Right now we are doing the revision of GK, because our course is completed and we are going to revise some of the question answers. One by one we will do the revision of all the chapters. Now here is the first question: who initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank? And that is Lala Lajpat Rai initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. Actually, my dear, what is the work of the bank? Here different people collects money, means deposit money, and if one bank is collecting, they can give the fund to the needy people on interest. So for this purpose the need of the bank was seen, and Lala Lajpat Rai started this work. This is the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai. Now, who was the first president of India? When India got independence in 1947, that time we were not having president in our country, and when constitution came into force on 26th January 1950, that time president was made for in our country, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of free India. And my dear, he was the architect of Indian constitution also, and he was the person who got the highest award of our country, and that is Desh Ratna award. And from which state he is? You know, he is from Bihar and from Siwan district, and he was a very bright student also in his time, my dear. This is the picture of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And he was a LLB. Now, who was the first Prime Minister of India? When India got independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was made the first Prime Minister of India. When? On 15th August 1947, our India got independence from whom? From British rule. And that time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was made the first Prime Minister of India. This is the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And you know, my dear, two things was very dear to him. He loved two things. One is red rose and the other is children. That is why children used to call him Chacha Nehru. What children used to call him? Chacha Nehru. And on his birthday only, on 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day. Because he used to love children, that's why on his birth date, which is 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day. Now, which bird has enormous beak? And that is pelican. Pelican is having enormous. Enormous means very big. Enormous means very big. Now I am going to show you the picture of pelican. This is the picture of pelican. My dear, this big beak, it dips into water and catches the fish to eat. Now, which jewelry is worn on the lobes of the ears? And it is earrings. Earrings is worn on the lobes of the ears. Lobes of the ears means this part. If it is, this is the ear, this is the lobes, and this part is called lobes. And you, all of you have seen your mother is wearing earrings. Now I am showing you the picture of two earrings. Here is the picture of two earrings. One this, two. Now we will go to next question. And what is used to make solar energy? And the answer is, in the place of what is, you will write only solar panel, and rest you will copy the questions. Solar panels are used to make solar energy, and your answer will be complete. My dear, in the world's biggest solar plant is made in India only, and that also in Gujarat. My dear, solar plant is the plant in which means we don't need any, we don't have any expenditure to prepare the, if we are having solar panels, then there is no other expenditure. Means if the sunshine is there in the sky, it is prepared by the solar plate, and everything runs on the solar panel, whether it is fan, bulb, refrigerator, cooler, AC. See the solar panels. This is the picture of solar panels. Now, which energy is used in gas stove? And that is LPG. And what is the full form of LPG? You know, liquefied petroleum gas. This is liquefied petroleum gas. And I am showing, it comes in red cylinder. I am showing you the cylinder this. And the weight is written on the cylinders, date is written on the cylinders, and even if you see in this, the expiry date of the cylinder is also given. Now, which sources of energy are stored in the ground? And the answer is coal, petroleum, oil and gas. Okay, actually it will be petroleum, oil. Okay, diesel also we get from ground only. Okay, so coal, petroleum, oil and gas are stored in the ground. See, this is the picture of petrol pump, like this. From this only, if we press this, the petrol or diesel gas, this is called nozzle. Okay, it is given, means start coming out and is filled in the tank wherever it is needed. Now thank you my dear. And how you will do your work? In very neat and clean handwriting. And first you will write CW and date, then you will give the heading and you will do your work in very neat and clean handwriting, and you will make PDF subject wise, first, second, third, fourth. You will arrange the papers, you will make the PDF and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, all the children will send this to their class teacher on their WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.